Arkansas, southwestern Pope. POPE County in central Arkansas, Yell County in central Arkansas, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles southwest of Flush Valley, or 17 miles southwest of Danville, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Danville, Plainview, Petit Jean River Wildlife Management Area, Ola, Mount Nebo State Park, Mosley, Lake Dardanelle State Park, Lake Dardanelle, Gravelly, Flush Valley, Dardanelle Lock and Dam, Dardanelle, Wing, Walbreck, Sunlight Bay Park, Spring Lake Campground, Rover, Ranger. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Sunday evening for Arkansas.
This will be a doubleheader.
You can see how this one has a well-defined hook echo. Look at that. So this is indicative of the...
A tornado warning for north central Yell County in central Arkansas, southern Pope. POPE County in central Arkansas, northeastern Logan County in western Arkansas, southeastern Johnson County in western Arkansas, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:58 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 10 miles west of Mount Nebo State Park, or 12 miles north of Danville. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Russellville, Carroll, Piney Bar Recreation Area, Mount Nebo State Park, London, Lake Dardanelle State Park, Lake Dardanelle, Knoxville, Pullman, Dover, Dardanelle Lock and Dam, Cabin Creek Recreation Area, Piney, New Plain, Lutherville, Gunlaw, Delaware, Augsburg. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 64 and 86.